20 seconds to start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Here we go. Rolf Dahl on the car track, making a good start. On the car track, Rolf Dahl out in front, followed by Trio and Ben Pedersen. These three have made a bit of an escape. Four minutes and 15 seconds left. At the front, Rolf Dahl out front, followed by Trio and Ben Pedersen from Great Britain. 4 minutes left. Over on the buggy track, it's Thomas Pedersen Bach out in the lead, or Thomas Bach Pedersen. However, he knows who he is. In the one car, .335 left. Thomas out front, followed by Stefan, Arne Petter, Daniel Apu. 3 minutes 20 left. Our leader over the big jump now. Off the corner tabletop, over the center tabletop. And he's got a massive lead of 10 seconds. We'll go back over to the car side, where there's a good battle between Rolf, Triev, and Ben. All three joined together as they're coming underneath my position through the infield now. Rolf, Triev, and Ben onto the main straight. 2.5 minutes to go. Some close racing on the car track. Ben just bouncing across the center of the track. Looking up the inside, Triev slamming the door on him. But they don't want to do too much messing around, or Rolf at the front will get away. It's always a delicate balance between trying to pass and not losing pace with the car 2 cars ahead of you. But Ben Pedersen looking racy, looking left, looking right, up the inside. He said good night. He's through. Now, the battle between Rolf and Ben Pedersen. And Ben got a little bit overexcited of his own abilities, made a lunge, and all that's done is given the lead to Triev now, who's out in front by 1.5 seconds. Now they're gonna have to work awful hard to try to catch that up. 1 minute 30 left. Over on the buggy track. Still a 10-second lead for Thomas Bach Pedersen, and he's still in traffic. Our second place car, well, let's call it a pink car, is the all pink car. Going on to the main straight now of Stefan. Third is Daniel, fourth is Jorgen, fifth is Arne Petter. Oh dear, that's so frustrating. 45 seconds to go. Back at the car track. Ben has broken the toe of Rolf and trying to get on terms with Triev, but Triev is gone. He's checked out. 25 seconds to go. and the lead of 2.3 seconds. That's just not going to happen unless Triyev makes a mistake. But with 15 seconds on the clock, that is very unlikely. Could be racing to the line for Triyev. In fact, he is indeed. You're racing to the line now, crossing the line to take the win. Triyev Bernstein from Norway. Thomas Bach Pedersen from Denmark has taken the win on the buggy track.